When it comes to racing or just driving around town, nothing is more important than being able to control your braking. Failure is not an option. Crown Performance stainless steel brake lines with 5 layers of construction, including Kevlar and stainless steel. There is no expansion in the line, no mushy brake pedal, giving you complete control. Pressure tested up to 4,500 PSI, meeting all the DOT specs. Crown Performance is top quality. One-piece construction on all Infinix means just one thing: superior strength. What else is cool? Well, they come in 8 colors. They are easy to put on for any type of vehicle, cars, trucks, you name it. Hey, when you want the best, go with Crown Performance. Shop right now online at CrownPerformance.com. That's CrownPerformance.com.